Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Discord account mobile. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and enter and make sure that your Discord app is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click on you at the bottom right corner. You can see it right here. Click on the settings gear at the top right, and then basically click the second option, which is account. Scroll a little bit down and you're gonna be able right here to see account management, disable or delete account. Click on delete account. And in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own to another person. So basically, if you don't have a you don't have a server or something that you are managing on, or a server that you're managing on Discord, you're gonna be able to follow along the on-screen instructions and basically follow along and tell them why that you want to leave Discord, and basically they're gonna send you a verification email to your email, iCloud, Hotmail, or whatever it may be, and you're gonna be able to confirm that you are the one who is initiating that step. Alright, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.